me. Oh, hey.
Loon, why don't you get out of the bed and come with me to the store today?
What?
You want to come to the store with me? You try out of this room for once? It's starting to look like shit in here, and you're gonna get rats leaving all this food everywhere.
No, I'm good. I got stuff to do today.
No, man, like jazz is great and all, but like I just can't seem to fully agree on that. I feel like there's like other genres out there that are just equally as great, but
Okay,
like
bro.
there's just different qualities. Like,
But listen, alright? Jazz is the foundation of all the other music, so that naturally makes it better to you.
is it truly the foundation of all of the music?
Yeah, man, even the country, dude. It's way better.
I don't know about that.
Luna, what do you think?
Yeah, man, for sure.
Are y'all good, bro?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. You want to take a beer bong?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Dad.
Hey kid, where you at? I missed you at dinner.
Oh, yeah, I was just at Atlas's house. We were just playing video games and stuff,
Alright. Well, are you gonna be home for dinner tonight? Because I was gonna go and get us some panda to eat. I kind of figured we both deserved it.
Yeah, I'll be there.
So, I signed you up for an appointment this Wednesday with Dr. Oslo. Same person you used to see back in your salad days. Thought it might be good for you to talk to someone about your mother.
Thanks, but I'm fine.
Come on, kid. Just do it for me. At least. Well, you're gonna go anyways, and that's final. Got anything to say about that? Wait. Hey, where are you going? I know I should have spoken at a different tone earlier, but I do honestly think you should at least give it a try. After going one time, you can decide whether or not you actually enjoy it, and you can continue with it if you want to.
Alright, I'll try it.
Take a look. Do you want to come watch this movie with me?
Yeah, just let me finish this match and I'll be right up. I'll be there.
God sent you wrapped in satin. Stop pretending I'm the captain. But yesterday we looked down and said, every time we change. Music, I can't believe it. You got me losing all my senses, nothing to it. Now, how could I blame that on fate? When you're right, baby. Every time we change, it's too late. You look mighty fine. You're my suit, take you for a ride.
Yo, Angelo, how's it going, dude? You doing anything tonight? No, alright. No, I get you, man.
Minds under the floor. Don't see the life as a chore. Though the bed is gone, they're no longer sore. They can't feel the light anymore. Keep the promise sealed in pain. Every time we change.
Officer, thank God you're here.
Are you Luna Buller?
Yes, but
I've been getting calls all night about someone knocking on doors and causing problems, and you're really freaking out the neighborhood. Okay. All right. Have a good night, son.
trying to remain your fool. Every time we change,